highway. Cause you found at the highway, 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 highway. Remember when you saw me in the club, didn't show me any love? Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but today I'll be showing you the Fenugreek hair mask. Now what you're going to need is Fenugreek powder and then deep conditioner, as simple as that. Now I use Fenugreek from Crown Organics, and then I use the moisture balance deep conditioner from Crown Organics as well. Now you guys don't add it in like I just did. You can soften the mixture by adding a little water so that the mixing the powder and then the deep conditioner is fairly easy. But this is the type of consistency I like. I don't like to make it too runny, so I added just a little water to the Now before I start, I obviously want to start on a clean base to help the product absorb faster. My hair is low porosity, so even with water I just sit on top of my hair if I don't aid it along the way. So I shampooed my hair, and because I was doing the max treatment at the end, I didn't use a rinse out conditioner. I just straight on ahead went to use the Fenugreek max. So no rinse out conditioner for a girl. Cause you found at the highway, 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 highway. Remember when you saw me in the club, didn't show me any love? So when I'm applying the Fenugreek mix, because the Fenugreek has a lot of slip coupled with the deep conditioner, I detangle whilst I am applying it. So you see that I'll be using my thumb to go through my hair a lot, and when I'm done I just twist it up and I wrap the twist in a bantu knot. It's as simple as that. I do it for the whole section, my whole head. And then since we are already here, I'll be talking about some benefits of fenugreek powder for the hair. Fenugreek has a lot of benefits, but these are just a few that I want to share with you. Fenugreek stimulates blood flow to the scalp, it nourishes the hair follicles, and then it encourages faster, healthier hair growth. While its while its antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties help treat dandruff and then scalp irritation. Now because I do henna mixes, the Ayurvedic mixes and stuff, I don't use fenugreek, the fenugreek hair mask a lot, unless maybe I've skipped the henna treatments for some time and I'm feeling lazy or I am out. You see that I'll use the fenugreek, and it's very, very strengthening. It's very good for your scalp. Now what I do is that I always advise people not to use the fenugreek hair mask the same wash day that you do your henna treatment. It's not necessary. If you do a henna treatment or the Ayurvedic mist treatment, you don't need to do, you don't even have to do the the fenugreek hair mask that same wash day. So as you can see, I just go back into the rest of the fenugreek that is left. So I apply it on the spots that I might have missed, then I cover it up with a plastic bag, in this case a bag from, what's the name, Melco. Yes, I just apply it on my hair, and I do condition as normal with it. You can use heat, but I left it without heat for like 45 minutes, and a girl is back. Now you guys, because the fenugreek is a herb, is a seed, is in powder form, you're not going to get it to absorb your hair completely. But if you look at the way my hair looks, you guys, my hair was so moisturized after this, and like it's stupid. But yeah, I went on ahead to rinse it out, and because my hair is low porosity, as you can see, the water is just sitting on top of my hair. Minimum be our smano, but the water is sitting on top of my head, and I have to use my hands to aid it along the way. And that's basically it. I love fenugreek so much that I always add it to my Ayurvedic mix, but that's another video. That's a whole other video. Now, you guys, I know I disappeared for a long time, but a girl is back and is here to stay. Thank you for sticking and staying with me, and see you on another video. Bye bye.